Yeah.
Hello friends, I am Akash Mehta and today I am going to telling you about application chess.com. So friends, without wasting any time, let's start the video. So friends, this video is about chess. Then firstly you tap on chess. Here you are seeing the interface of chess. On the top you are seeing the login button. So firstly you click on that login button, and here now you are seeing username and password and Facebook, Google. So firstly you link your account with your Google account. So my account is linked with Google, so I have made my account. Now here there are a lot of options are present in chess.com. Play versus computer, tournament, lesson, puzzles, play, puzzle, lesson, connect, more. There are a lot of options present in this application. You can tap on any application. I have tapped in play option. So now you are seeing that this application is searching that which player will play with me. I am going to play a chess in front of you. This is my ID Akash4865 and this is my rank 374. The second player is not playing with me, so I am going back and telling you about other things that you can play this chess versus computer. Just tap and select your level and play. I have selected first. I am playing this chess for you, so I can tell you about chess, that how you can play a chess. Here you can see the moves of chess that I am playing. Now I am going back. You have seen playing chess. Now next option is tournament. Here you can play a lot of tournament that is going live. You can see these are going live and these are daily tournaments. And the third option is lesson. There are a lot of lesson. With the help of these lesson you can know that how to play a good chess. There are a lot of lessons present in this application. Now there are puzzles. You can see here rated learning rush. You can tap in any puzzle and you can learn about that puzzle. And here you are seeing connect option. In this you can send this app to your friend. You can find friends already if you have their email or username. Now there is news. In this option there are a lot of news related to chess. You can see here and you can scroll down and down to see more news. Now forms. In this there are lot of lessons for beginners. If you are a beginner then you can take a coaching and there are lot of lesson you can read in a free time. And in this is chess TV. You can connect your phone with your TV and you can play chess in a big screen. Friends, in this you can connect with your any friend, and messages, you can chat with anyone. There is more option in tournaments that I have tell you, vision I have tell you, drills. It is a good option for starting or end game. In this lot of options are present. You can see in videos, there are lot of videos are present for those person who like to play chess. Daily puzzle, in this you can solve the puzzles. Articles, in this you can write any article about chess. Theme, in this option you can tap in any theme and the theme will change in a seconds. I have tapped in a wood theme and the theme has changed. And watch, in this you can watch anyone, top games, friends, tournaments. Here the net is slow and you are seeing in a background that theme has changed. Now here settings are present. In this you can upgrade account, theme, game, daily chess, live chess, vision, general, rate this app, more, and some features are paid in this application, and this application is present in a Play Store. I will give you a link in description. This is states that how much games you are played, how much wins or how much lose. This will tell everything. Achievement, that how much goals have you achieved. I have doesn't achieved because I am new in this application. The persons who are new in this application doesn't have achieved, but the person they are using this application, they have achieved a lot of goals. So friends, in this video this is only. So let's meet in a next video. Till that, Namaste India.